I definitely miss your head. I miss your whole forehead.
Hi! Come on in. Come on in. We have another door. Are you ready? Are you ready? Don't go that close. Okay, go. And welcome to my house, where I live at in college. So, this is where I live. We're about to take a tour so that you can see where I live and breathe. And go crazy! You just walked in the front door, and we're gonna go down the hallway. Follow me down the hallway. The first attraction we have is this door. Now, where does this door go, you may ask? Well, frankly, seeing as how there's no doorknob, or, it stays locked, the door goes nowhere. It's just for decoration. It's a decorative door with a cute little paint stain splatter on it, really welcoming you into the house, making you feel like you are at college. Come on this way. Next, we have my room. Did I paint this? Of course I did. Come on in. This is my sanctuary, hand decorated by yours truly. This is where I get ready in the morning. And this is the door to the balcony, which I keep locked so nobody comes and steals me. Ring light. Come on. We don't use this in the winter months, but it's here. In the summertime, this is where I like to wake up and sip my coffee, where in the wintertime, it serves no purpose but keeping my room extra cold through the door. This is my bed, and this is my closet. I have an M light here, I have an M here, I have more M's over here. I just like things that have my name on it because
I really like myself.
here's all my makeup. Can you see this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Right. Yeah.
I love my cubbies, but this is not a room tour, so that's the extent. Let's move on. This is Charlotte's room, but we're not going to go in there because she didn't sign up to be part of this. Now let's take on the living room. So first up, we have this tree. Now, you may be thinking, Morgan, it's February, right? So not one, not two, but 3 or more holidays have passed since Christmas. We've been through New Year's, we've been through Martin Luther King Jr. Day, we've been through Valentine's Day, we've been through President's Day, and we still have a tree. Tree top, very appropriate. Next up, we have our beautiful painting on the wall. Because did you know where I Did you know where I go to school? If not, it might be really hard to figure out. You might also notice that we have some decorations, right? We have these, we have this, oh look, balloon. We have some more. And you wanna know why? Nothing's happening, it's just always a party here at 525. I'll block it out, don't worry. We have these decorative old-fashioned pillars because I don't think this has always been a 3-floor apartment college house. It gives it a nice Victorian look. Is that the right word? Or no, not.
Sure.
So, okay, yeah. Victorian look that we all know and love. We have our nice side table with our Santa stop here because we clearly are not over the holidays. Futon. We also have this blanket over our futon, handmade. Our nice variety of succulents. Okay, zoom in. And the ultimate mood-setting pillow right here. You. Of college artwork that just really make you feel like you are one with the house. My least favorite part of the house. The shoe pile. Greets you when you walk in, but something you trip over in the middle of the night when you're trying to wake up to pee. This is Mandy's room. Hey, Mandy. Come on. Now I swear that was brighter. Bathroom here. You know, shower curtain, toilet, what all your bathrooms should come with. Come on, I'll take it from here. Yee! Okay, cool. Fridge. And now we're in the kitchen. We're almost already done because my house is the size of a closet. You gotta come like over here.
Oh my god.
My favorite part of the kitchen. We have an oven that barely works. This is the kitchen. An essential part is the coffee grinder when you accidentally buy beans. Some food to eat.
Really? And look, there's Morgan.
You're the worst.
That
Oh, we
pretty-
also have a back door,
That was pretty funny.
as many houses do.
I was talking over that, you know what?
We also have a back door, as many homes do. Come on. So this is our back balcony, where my car is. Not on the balcony, but below, you know. This is a good picture spot. It really serves no other purpose. That's okay. Well, that was bright. Okay, come on. Now, this next part is quite interesting. So we have another bathroom here. But if you look inside, what do you see? There's a shower, but there's in fact no toilet. Which is so hilarious. It's not. This is Marissa's room. This is also probably my favorite station. I call this the coffee corner, the Keurig station. My second favorite place in the house. I spend a lot of my time here. I'm also a big fan of the toaster. Bread baked twice. I mean, come on. And this is Abby's room. We have more food. Recycling, because this is a greenhouse. Get it? Get it? Morgan Green? That's as exciting as it gets. Okay? And you know, that's about it. Quick, small place I live in. Thanks for attending and come back soon. Okay. Ah! Is my boob showing? Should I not do that? Ah!